Hi, how you doing though? I tried to make this video. Work in 2009. This car, customer complained, no crank, no start. And this light will flash. Watch, the security light, don't crank, no start. I saw a lot of videos in this one. I check it's a power in the computer, power in that one. You'll have to check, make sure you got a lot of people talking about it. You know, like special in this one. 2009 350 diesel 4.1. Sorry for the video, I'm recording with my phone. So this is the fuse number 71, but who powers this fuse is this relay, PCM. So because it's no communication, try to put in my computer, no communication, no nothing. Check this relay. This relay, it's powered by the computer. And check this fuse was okay. I start to disconnect. I disconnect the ABS. I don't have no communication. Okay, now in the PCM is location right here. Because it's powered by computer, if this one is unplugged, you want to check your power right here in this wire. Blue orange will be no power. After you connect it, you got it. Here the troll body, it's working. Means the PCM it's working and has a power. I was checking the connector, checking everything. So let's make this video quick. So we gotta do this way. I was checking all the fuses, they're okay, everything's okay, it's no communication. Here's the trailer. For a lot of people, they don't know, it's not a lot of information. This is for the trailer brakes, the control unit. Come right here. You have to remove the panel. You disconnect this guy right here. Disconnect it. Disconnect this one. Sorry, I'm recording for my phone. So you take this one, has two screws. One screw right here. Right here, you have to remove this cover. Boom. Pops out. Disconnect it. Now watch. I think I left my. So now, after you disconnect this guy, unplug it. Now you disconnect everything. You will reset everything, but now let's check for the code. You gotta see. We'll have. See? Boom. This one you gotta wait a little bit. Now it's running. Trailer control unit. Problem fixed. I got a communication. Boom. That's it. So for you guys struggling over there, no crank, no start, nothing. The security light, it's off. It's easy. Like you check the fuse, check the relay. If everything is working, the troll body it's working. So you can come and try this. Before you gotta disconnect the hardest one, I think this is the easy one. Disconnect it, try it, check it out, and you go from there. Thank you guys. I hope this video will help to anybody else right there. If you like my videos, comment or anything, just comment.